Question 6. When the question asks you for a proposition that is best illustrated by the passage, we call that a principal identify question. On a principal identify question, your job is to read the stimulus, make sure you understand it, and then find an answer choice that contains a description that makes sense given what you read in the stimulus. Sometimes they'll give you an argument, sometimes they'll give you a scenario. Here it's just a scenario, hinted to us because it just asks about what is illustrated by the passage. It doesn't say by the argument. So just go sentence by sentence and make sure you understand what's there. The first sentence introduces us to someone named Jablonski, who has a car dealership and has donated some cars to the area schools nearby. The second sentence tells us why. Apparently, Jablonski was worried about the kids, wanted to make sure that they drove more safely. And the third paragraph tells us what happened afterwards. Some people in the community, seeing what she had done, decided to start buying cars there. Okay, now that we understand it, we go into the answer choices looking for a match. Answer choice A. This is wrong for a lot of reasons, not the least of which is the passage never tells us that the driver's ed programs that Jablonski donated to were even successful, much less that the only way to succeed is to use them. So answer choice A is not the answer. Answer choice B. Altruistic actions sometimes have positive consequences for those who perform them. Well, sure. Some members of the community have been buying cars from Jablonski, and that would count as sometimes getting a positive result from your altruistic action. So that's our answer. We can take a courtesy glance to the other answers to see why they're wrong. Answer choice C. Now, we don't know that the young drivers benefited at all from the driving program, just that it was designed to encourage better driving, and we certainly don't know that they're the ones most likely to benefit from it just from knowing that they're enrolled in it. So C is not the answer. Answer choice D, it is usually in your best interest. We have one case. Jablonski and some members of the community, we don't know that this is usually the case. Answer choice E, we don't know that the action had broad community support, just that some members of the community supported what Jablonski did. So E is not the answer is B.